Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. In this video I am going to show you how to make the dough by hand. Cut the cold butter into a half-inch pieces. Add any dry ingredients that the recipe calls for and mix it with the flour. Press the butter into the flour. Using a bowl scraper, cut in the butter until the butter pieces are approximately the size of dried lentils, about 1/8 of an inch, working quickly to avoid melting the butter. If you don't have a scraper, you can use a knife instead. Begin to combine the water into the flour mixture. Be careful not to overwork the dough at this stage. Add more water as needed, just until the dough comes together. Gather all the pieces of dough together. Until you form a block. It's important at this stage that you are able to see pieces of butter on the dough. Cover the dough with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least a half hour. I know this dough is going to be flaky because I am able to see the butter inside. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.